Have you ever wondered what swimming with earbuds would feel like? Or earbuds that you can play sports with? Well, that's no longer the imagination, but the simple truth. Meet the Jaybird Run XT, the world's first sports earbuds. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and awesomeness. Enter Jaybird's new Run XT, a pair of true wireless buds that have been engineered to withstand a drop in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. Though I still don't recommend swimming in them. The Jaybird Run wireless buds give you secure comfort fit no matter the shape of your ear, with interchangeable tips and fins. Sweat all you want, push yourself in the rain, and get muddy. Jaybird Run headphones are sweat-proof and water-resistant. You can customize your sound by adjusting the lows, mids, and highs to pump up your true wireless sports experience. The Jaybird app can locate your buds if they go missing. 12-hour battery life in your charge pocket and fast charging as well. The Run XT also features custom EQ settings so your favorite music will sound just how you like it. You can even use one earbud in mono mode to listen to your favorite music and take calls while still being aware of what's going on around you. These new headphones are a follow-up of the popular Jaybird Run model. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do want the Jaybird Run XT model, it's down in the description below on Amazon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Peace.